Multi-bagger stocks are the stocks that provide more than 100% returns. In other words, they at least double in value. In this video, you will learn how to develop a talent for spotting potential multi-baggers. We have 3 strategies for you. Let's start. 1. Invest in IPOs. New companies raise funds for expansion through IPOs. इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग में इन्वेस्ट करने पर आप अनटेस्टेड कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। रिस्क तो है, पर पोटेंशियल यील्ड भी बड़ा हो सकता है। सिंस दीज कंपनीज आर न्यू ऑन द स्टॉक मार्केट, दे कैन ग्रो क्विकली। आईपीओ से पहले कंपनीज एक आईपीओ प्रोस्पेक्टस रिलीज करती हैं। लर्न टू रीड इट। This contains all the information about the company's product, future plans, business philosophy, and more. 2. Develop an eye for trends. This is the most important skill to develop if you want to find multi-bagger stocks. 2020 में रिटेल शॉपिंग कम हुई और ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस ने बहुत ग्रो किया. This is a trend that suggests that the e-commerce sector might deliver some multi-bagger stocks now or in the near future. एक और नया ट्रेंड चालू हुआ है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम. As people work from home, they are spending money on adding home offices and renovating as per the new needs. Due to this trend, Somany Home Innovation has seen its stock price grow by 240% over the last 6 months. This is an example, not a recommendation. To notice a trend, stay alert to changes in the behavior of people around you and even your own. Zoom out to see if there are global adoptions of new tech, a universal change of habits, or something about to blow up. Then ask which publicly trading companies can benefit from these trends, and those might be your multi-bagger opportunities. 3. Look for companies with a competitive edge. अगर एक कंपनी का competitive edge नहीं है, तो वो ज्यादा grow नहीं कर पाएगी. A competitive edge can come in many forms. Having deep pockets can be a competitive edge. Having patented technology or having network effects acting in your favor is also a competitive edge. Here are all 3 strategies together. Take a screenshot for future references. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.